Hey, what's up? Welcome back, everyone. This is the Chanuto Soup channel. I am Chanu, and I am actually going to do an unboxing of my new camera that just came in today. I got the Canon M50. So, yeah, we're gonna do a little unboxing and show you the camera that I just got. Hopefully my lighting is not too bad. And zoom a little out. Try not to show you guys my messy room. Open that up. So this kit I actually bought it off of Amazon. It comes with a couple of items. First item is a camera bag right here. And it comes with a Ritz Gear mini condenser microphone attached to my camera. Probably test that out later. See right there. Right, and also came with a monopod, Ritz Gear monopod. It's pretty cool. Gonna be really good to use for like vlogs maybe, or because I'm a short person, probably be good to use to record over people if I'm like walking in a crowd. Right. Oh, they even have like a LCD screen protector for the camera, because the camera can actually the screen can actually flip. So that comes with the memory card. I think this is actually a pretty good card too. 64 gig, 3U or U3, however you guys say it. I think this is supposed to be 4K capable. Not too sure though. Gonna have to check that out also. Out of focus, sorry. It comes with the fundamental filters kit. Yeah, I bought this off of Amazon. It comes, this extra battery comes with right here. I heard that some aftermarket batteries are not that good. That if you buy a Canon camera, it's probably better if you just buy a manufacturer one. But I won't argue with the extra one that they gave to me. Sorry if you hear voices in the background. My whole entire family just got home from fishing, or came over from fishing. I'm not really even sure what this is. Gonna have to check that out. Right, this looks like a little lanyard or some sort. Might be a camera button actually too. Check it out. Alright, this is probably one of the things I'm most excited about. Got the little tabletop tripod, you know, little miniature tripod. I've been needing one of those, so pretty excited about that. And for the star item of the show, it's the Canon EOS M50. Got the handbook, the manual right here. When you open it. Sorry, I just burped right now. My bad. Got the camera strap. Heard that these are like alright. My brother has one of the DSLR Canon cameras. His strap is pretty good, so I mean, I'm guessing that this is probably good enough too. I might explore aftermarket camera straps though. Right. Pretty sure there's the manufacturer battery right there. And I probably have to buy 1 or 2 more of these. And on this is the lens that comes with it. It's a 15 by 45 millimeter. It's the kit lens that usually comes with most of the Canon M50s. I might actually get the Viltrox speed booster lens adapter, because my brother has a Canon already, so I can always use his lens and use it with the adapter. But yeah, we're gonna test this one out too. I hear like 50-50 per like reviews. Some people like it, some people don't. There's a battery charger, wall charger. Here is the Canon M50. This is pretty tiny. I did not expect it to be this small. Yeah, and there it is. It's a mirrorless camera. Yeah, I'm excited to start filming my videos with this. Oh yeah, and the filter earlier, it's pretty cool that this thing can turn. That's probably one of the main reasons why I got this camera. Yeah, so I'm gonna be testing this out in the next couple of days, next couple of weeks, and I look forward to releasing some videos, some pictures maybe too, test shots. Yeah, I'm gonna start filming with this, so be on the lookout, and let me know what you guys think, if you guys got this camera too. I got this whole kit off Amazon for about like $680, not too bad. There's like a couple of the items that I really kind of wanted, but you know, the extra items were essential, I guess. So there you go, Canon M50, my new camera, guys. Hey everyone, thank you for stopping by to check out my unboxing video of my new Canon M50 camera. Hopefully you guys like the bundle that I bought. If you guys are interested in the same bundle, just let me know down in the comments below, and I'll be sure to include the link that I got it from Amazon. I believe right now the exact buyer that I bought it from is sold out of his stock. Probably restocking the bundle that he's selling, or she's selling. But yeah, if you want to check it out, just let me know. I'll link it below, or I'll send it to you personally in a message. And yeah, I'm actually recording this with the Canon M50 with the microphone mounted onto the camera too. So quick test, I guess you could say. Still messing with the settings and still trying to learn how to fully use the camera, but so far it looks pretty cool, man. Like honestly, this is pretty crisp. Just messing with the settings just a little bit. But yeah, hopefully you guys liked the video. If you guys liked it, please like and subscribe to the Soup channel. I'm working on some stuff right now. Actually, just finalizing a comedy skit that I wrote. Hopefully you guys tune in when I post those videos, and yeah, we can laugh together and just enjoy it together. So yeah, again, if you guys enjoy the video, please like and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support, and I will see you guys later. Peace.